Hi guys, Saizad Arsi this side, and today in this video I will share with you some amazing tips tricks to become a successful blogger. In this video you will learn how to become a successful blogger. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first point to become a successful blogger and to separate from an average blogger to a successful blogger is to narrow down your niche. Means you have heard this time and again that every successful blogger tells you, shares their story that you have to narrow down your niche. You don't have to choose some broad terms like and fitness health and fitness, technology, or anything likewise. Means you don't have to choose the broad term. Instead you have to choose, narrow down your niche. Like suppose in health you can choose healthy diet for youngster, healthy diet for kids, healthy diet for pregnant ladies. This way you can narrow down your niche. Similarly in technology you can choose budget phone under 10,000. Likewise you have to narrow down your niche. Okay, second point is passion on the topic. Guys, passion is very essential in order to become a successful blogger, because if you are not passionate about what you are writing, then how can you write for long? Means you will lose interest after some time and you will feel blogging like a tough job ahead. Okay, in order to be successful in blogging you have to be passionate about whatever you do. Suppose you love cooking, right? If you love cooking, then this will be very ideal for you to choose your niche in cooking rather than in technology, health, anything else. Similarly, if you are someone who is passionate about yoga, then you can teach your you can share your skill knowledge with the world through blogging in the yoga field. Likewise you have to be passionate so that you don't get bored and you uh, you continue with your passion, because blogging is a marathon, not a sprint. You have to dedicate your time, and if you are someone who is passionate in something, then it will take your journey it will make your journey an ease. Okay, let me come to the third point. Third point is basic knowledge of WordPress SEO. Guys, if you are starting a blog, then I highly recommend you to start in wordpress.org. Okay, not in blogger, because in wordpress.org you have your own custom domain. You can easily monetize your blog. There are uh, lots of benefit of starting your blog in WordPress. So you have to have the knowledge of WordPress as well as SEO as well as writing. These are three essential elements that you must have the knowledge. Okay, if you don't have the knowledge of WordPress, SEO and writing, then kindly invest your time, money in gaining this knowledge, okay, of these three topics. Then you start your blogging. It will become very easy for you after you have knowledge, at least basic knowledge of these three elements. Okay, fourth point is, guys, writing skills. Guys, as you know, blogging is something that we share our knowledge with the world, and blogging is nothing else similar to writing journals, writing our story, or in the earlier days we used to write something in our diary, means our day-to-day routine. Okay, blogging is one step ahead than writing a diary or sharing your day-to-day work. In blogging you have to share your experience or your skill with the world through the form of writing. And as you continue blog or continue publishing articles in your blog, you develop a writing writing skills, and every blogger has a unique writing style, so that is very essential to have and proper knowledge of English as well as in any language. Suppose you want to blog in Hindi, then you must have basic understanding of grammar, sentence structure of English or Hindi, anything else. You must have the basic knowledge of it. Okay, guys. The fifth point is competitor research and keyword research. Guys, this is very important point because many bloggers start their blogging journey without their competitor research. Guys, you have to do your competitor research as well as keyword research before even starting your blogging, because if you do your competitor research and if you do your keyword research right, then your blogging journey will become very easy, and you can not only make a profitable blog, but your blog will grow very fast. Okay. Sixth is be updated with latest trend in digital marketing. Guys, many bloggers who have failed in the past, or you have heard the story of many unsuccessful bloggers, they have been unsuccessful because they have not updated their knowledge in the field of digital marketing. Means, suppose in nowadays and age, as we can say that today's the age, the day and age of today's generation is of vlogging as well as podcast. Guys, you have to be good at this. If you are good at this vlogging, blogging, podcast, then you are way ahead. And if you develop your if you continue learning new skills in digital marketing and be updated with latest trends in, be it search engine optimization, be anything, then guys, you are born to success. You are born to be successful blogger, right? Let's come to the next point, seventh point. Be present on social media and build your brand awareness. Guys, at least be present in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Okay. So that you build your brand awareness. Okay. Eighth point is honesty. Honesty is very important, guys, about the topic or product which you are demonstrating through your blog. Okay. If you are honest with the topic or product you are sharing information, if you are honest, then people will love you and people will follow you, people will listen you. Guys, honesty is very, very important and is the integral part of blogging. Okay. Next is dedication, guys. Dedication means focus on one topic. Means, suppose you want to start your health blog in the health niche and you want to blog about healthy diet for youngsters, then guys, be specific on that domain, on that niche, and don't choose like you are blogging someday you are blogging on health niche, other day you are blogging about cooking, then fitness. Choose one niche and write continuously, learn and write continuously on that topic. Okay. And don't jump from one section to another. Means, you are developing your healthy diet niche and on the other hand you have another priority and another blog you are writing about technology. Guys, this way your blogging success will be very long and you can't be successful very soon. So in order to be successful, focus on one thing and develop your time, energy on that specific thing, and with full dedication and full effort you can be successful on one blog. Grow one blog, dedicate 6 to 12 months on one blog, make it successful, then you choose another type of domain which you want to experiment or you want to develop a blog on. Okay guys, next is blogging is a journey Blogging is a journey, not a destiny, guys. Blogging, blogging. Someone thinks that it's a destiny, and you will start a blog today, and next day you will start making money. This is not like that, guys. Blogging is a journey, and you have to continuously walk along this journey, and it's not your destiny, guys. And if you stop writing post for 1 month, 2 month, um, or you don't update your old post, then sooner or later your competitor will outrank you and you will be lost in the Google. Okay, so you have to understand this point. Blogging is a journey, not a destiny, right? Next is, guys, blogging teaches you variety of skills like search engine optimization, email marketing, social media optimization, funnel building. These are basic things that blogging teaches you. Either you learn these skills before starting a blog, or you will learn this along your blogging journey. These are the skills that you have to knowledge on this subject in order to be a successful blogger. Search engine optimization, content writing, social media optimization, be it Facebook ads, Google ads, or organic means, as well as email marketing and funnel building. Guys, next point is, blogging is like a business and you have to treat it like a business. Be it any business in the offline world, you see how they treat their business, how the business owner treat the business. Likewise, you have to treat your blogging as a business, and if you treat your blogging as a business, then you can take control of your income as well as expenditure, where you have to invest in your blogging. Suppose you have to invest in writing, content writer for search engine for some SEO expert, or email marketing or funnel building. You have to consider your income as well as expenditure and treat blogging as a business. Guys, the 13th point is, you have to promote your blog, because no one knows you when you are starting fresh in blogging journey. No one knows you, so you have to, it's a moral responsibility to promote your blog across the social media platform. And Quora is one such platform where you can easily gain lots of traffic from, and you can also build backlinks through Quora as well. Okay, and Quora is something that gives you initial boost for your blogging success. Facebook is also something good, but Facebook organic reach is very limited. But if you are someone who is consistently posting informative articles on Quora and engage in some activities, answering some questions that is posted in Quora, then you can get enough traffic for your blog. And promotion is very essential in the initial days for your blogging success. Guys, the final point is, blogging needs continuous practice and persistence. Guys, as I told you earlier, blogging is a marathon, not a sprint. You have to have patience, you have to have dedication, you have to continuously practice and continuously post articles on your blog. Okay, someday you won't in the starting days you won't have enough traffic in your blog. You don't have to be demotivated with that. You have to keep pushing, keep moving. One day, with this effort and with this dedication and effort, your blog will gain enough interaction and it will gain enough authority in the eyes of Google that your blog will start ranking within 6 to 12 months. If you follow this rule, then within 6 to 12 months your blog will start ranking on different keywords. So that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you found this video helpful on the topic how to be successful in blogging. in 2020 and beyond. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends whom you think might help this video, and please guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, don't forget to share your comment. I would love to know your thought on this topic that I've shared with you. And if you think something I have missed, you can share your thought in the comment, and as well as your suggestion and your thought is most welcome in the comment section. I would love to hear you from you guys in the comment section. Share your thought, guys. Okay, so some love, respect for this video. Thanks guys, this is Sajad Darsi signing off for now. Thank you, bye, take care.